In this home remedy video, we are going to list the top 10 fruits that are recommended to help control diabetes. Starting at number 10. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit has a very low glycemic index, which makes it one of the most nutritious fruits you can eat. On the glycemic index, it ranges from 47 to 58. The glycemic index shows us how quickly certain foods raise blood glucose levels. The index rates between 1 to 100, with pure glucose having an index of 100. Foods that have a slow carbohydrate absorption rate will have a rating below 55. Lower the rating, the better the food is for diabetics. Kiwi fruit helps lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, because it's low in carbohydrates, and high in fiber. It's also rich in minerals and vitamins A, C, and E. Plus it contains potassium, fiber, and beta-carotene, which is important in protecting our free radicals and helps with overall health. Kiwi fruit also helps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, as they contain an enzyme called inositol. So a great way to keep your energy level up, and blood sugar levels down, is to make sure you add kiwi to your diabetes food plan. Number 9. Pears. Rich in fiber and low in carbohydrates and calories, pears are another fruit that should be included in any type 2 diabetes diet. On the glycemic index, they have a 36 rating, which is very low. There are 100 calories and about 6 grams of fiber in the average size pear, with only 26 grams of carbohydrates. A good balance of fiber and carbohydrates help to reduce the absorption of glucose, stopping any spike in blood sugar levels. Pears have a lovely sweet taste, which helps to stop the craving for sweet foods, calming hunger, and keeping diabetics in control of their diet and well-being. 8. Oranges. Because they are very sweet and have many health benefits, oranges are a very popular fruit. High in fiber, and low in calories, they are also full of vitamin C, potassium, thiamine, and folate. Despite being very sweet, and containing sugar, they have a glycemic index of only 30 to 50. Being rich in fiber and polyphenols slows down the rise in blood sugar levels, and that's why the glycemic levels are low. Oranges in a daily diabetic diet will help keep blood sugar at a healthy level, and help to control diabetes. It will also reduce the craving for a sweet taste. 7. Strawberries. Strawberries are full of vitamins, dietary fiber, antioxidants, and have very low sugar content, making it one of the best foods for diabetics. Eating strawberries at least twice a week can help to eliminate the chance of developing diabetes, as they are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and contain a low level of carbohydrates, giving them a glycemic index of 40. Strawberries are very filling and are good for maintaining energy levels, plus they will keep the blood sugar level down. Another must on the diabetic dietary plan. 6. Avocado. Avocados have very little effect on blood sugar levels, as they are low in carbohydrates, but full of fiber, fats, and calories. The fats are not unhealthy fats, but monounsaturated, that are good for the heart, and controlling blood cholesterol levels. 1 avocado per day is good for a diabetic diet, as it has a low level of carbohydrates. Because of its high levels of fiber and healthy fats, it will not raise blood sugar levels. 5. Grapefruit. Usually eaten at breakfast, grapefruit is a fruit full of nutrients, high in vitamin C and A, low in calories, and high in fiber, giving it a glycemic index of only 25. This is a good choice to add to a diabetic food plan, as it helps the body keep to a healthy weight level, and increases the body's insulin sensitivity, because it contains flavonoid naringenin. Just half a grapefruit a day is enough to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. 4. Guava. Another fruit full of nutrients. It's also rich in vitamins A and C, lycopene, dietary fiber, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Sugar absorption can be reduced by eating this fruit without the skin. It also helps with constipation, and can even reduce the chance of developing diabetes. Guava can be used for making healthy and nutritious drink, or a refreshing cup of tea made from the leaf. Both these drinks help to reduce the absorption of some types of sugar, stopping a spike in sugar levels after meals. Studies have shown that eating peeled guava daily will keep sugar levels under control. 3. Black plums. These are one of the best fruit for diabetics, because they will help blood sugar levels to be kept at a normal level, which gives them a very low glycemic index. The stomach is slow to empty, because of the soluble fiber in black plums, which helps the blood sugar levels, and therefore beneficial to the sensitivity of insulin. Starch is converted into energy by the fruit, keeping a check on blood sugar levels. It can also help with the symptoms of diabetes, including keeping the thirst levels down, stopping the need to urinate more than normal. Black plums consumed daily will benefit diabetics by again helping to control blood sugar levels, and will increase insulin activity and sensitivity. 2. Cherries. With a very low glycemic level of only 22, cherries will not cause any dramatic blood sugar level increase. This probably makes them one of the fruits that's best for diabetics. Anthocyanins are a natural chemical found in cherries, and that gives them their bright red color, but more importantly, helps to increase insulin and control blood sugar levels. The anthocyanins help to fight diseases like cancer, and heart problems, that a lot of diabetics are prone to have. And finally, number 1. Apples. Apples are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, soluble fiber, and that includes the inside and the skin, making them the number 1 choice, and a must-have for diabetics. Digestion and absorption of carbohydrates are slower, because of the fiber in the apple, stopping any spike in blood sugar levels. Apples are also full of nutrients, making a good filler after eating. Because apples are full of fiber, nutrients, and water, they have a very low glycemic index of 30 to 50. So, the choice of fruit recommended for diabetics are: Number 1. Apples. 2. Cherries. 3. Black plums. 4. Guava. 5. Grapefruit. 6. Avocado. 7. Strawberries. 8. Oranges. 9. Pears. 10. Kiwi fruit. We hope you enjoyed the video, and it's been helpful. Thank you for watching and listening. Remember to subscribe to our channel to get more natural remedy videos.